Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 12 of the chapter linear equations in one variable. In this part 12, we will discuss the exercise 2.1 and see some of the applications of the linear equations. Coming to the exercise 2.1, we have the questions to be solved of linear equations in one variable. How I have already discussed with you in our previous session, example 1. I have taught you how to solve this example 1 using step 1, step 2, where in 2x minus 3 equals to 7, where by adding 3 on both sides we will get rid of 3, and this is done. The balance is not disturbed because of adding same number on both the sides. So we have removed that 3, which is subtrahend here, by adding 3 on both sides, and in step 2 we got rid of the multiplicand 2 here by dividing both the sides by 2. So finally we got the value of x, which is called solution of the given equation or linear equation 2x minus 3 equals to 7, and for that x equals to 5 is the solution. So we say x equals to 5 is the solution of the given equation 2x minus 3 equals to 7. And we have seen such questions can be solved with the help of example 2. I explained you the technique of transposing. So while solving this, transposing 9 from left hand side to the right hand side, here in this given equation 9 is an addend, so we will transpose addend 9 from left hand side to right hand side. So when we transpose, that addend becomes the subtrahend. So the technique of transposing can also be used for solving. 4 minus 9 is simplified as minus 5, and 2y equals to minus 5, where 2 is multiplicand by dividing both sides by 2, or same transposing technique we can apply. So transposing multiplicand 2 from left hand side to right hand side, it divides. So we got finally y value as minus 2.5, which is called as solution. It is the solution of the given equation two y plus 9 equals to 4. Similarly, we can check the solution whether that is correct or not. So this step is also sometimes asked us to do in the given question. Find the solution of the following equation and check the answer. So checking the answer, how to do that? Checking the answer, we will take either LHS or RHS and substitute the value of the variable found, which we call it as solution. If I substitute in the given equation, in the LHS here 2y plus 9, in that if I substitute minus 2.5, on simplifying it, you'll get the value of RHS. So the moment LHS is equals to RHS, we say that the given y equals to minus 2.5 is the right answer, or it is the solution. So the same thing we did for example number 2 and example number 4, and this is the working that we have done in our previous session, that is in part 11. Now coming to the part 11, I gave you homework of the exercise 2.1 questions. Today we will do discussion of these questions, and you can cross check your answers for the work which I have given as homework. Now coming to the question number 1, 2, 3. Here in the question number 1, I'll not do all the steps, children. Just I'll crisply say, here in the first one, 2 is a subtrahend, I will transpose. The moment I transpose, to RHS, that subtrahend becomes in right hand side addend. So x equals to 7 plus 2 simplified gives you the value of x as 9, which we call it as solution. Similarly, in the question number 2, transposing, here 3 is addend, from left hand side to right hand side we are transposing. The addend, if it comes this side, it becomes subtrahend. So 10 minus 3 on simplification gives you 7, and that will act as the solution. In the question number 3, we have got 2 addend in the right hand side. So we can say, here I have written wrongly spelling RAN. Here also let me do correction. Transposing to LHS now. So from right hand side to left hand side it comes. So the moment it comes as addend to this side, it becomes subtrahend. Z equals to 6 minus 2, therefore 4 equals to Z. This acts as the solution. Now coming to the question number 4, here 3 by 7, which is addend, if it is transposed, from left hand side to right hand side, we have x equals to 17 upon 7. Here this 3 by 7 is addend. If it comes this side, it becomes subtrahend. So x equals to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7 is 14 by 7, and that implies 2. So therefore x equals to 2 acts as the solution. Then coming to the question number 5, here 6 is multiplicand. If it comes to RHS, you can say transposing 6 or multiplicand 6 from LHS to RHS, we can say R divide both sides by 6. We can say either transposing or the same division operation will use here. So 6x upon 6 equals to 12 upon 6. It implies 6 get cancels. 6 equals to 2 will act as the solution. See children, similarly here in the case of question number 6, 5 is a multiplicand, 5 is the divisor. So I say step multiplying both sides by 6, which gives t equals to 10 into 5. It implies t equals to 50 as the solution. Coming to the question number 7, here 3 is the divisor. So first we'll multiplying both sides by 3. It gives 2x equals to 18 into 3, which is 54. Now 2 is a multiplicand, so we divide by 2. So 2x upon 2, 2 get cancels, equals to 54 upon 2. So therefore x equals to 27 will be the value of variable x in the question number 7. Similarly, here in the question number 8, 1.5 is a divisor. So we need to multiply by 1.5, which makes y equals to 1.6 into 1.5, where here multiplying here 1.5 cancels with this, and here will be in left hand side multiplying 1.6, that 1.5 will be remains. So the value of y now, multiplying 1.6 by 1.5, you know how to do, it gives you 2.4. So that acts as the solution. Now coming to the question number 9, first I'll transpose 9, which gives me 7x equals to 16 plus 9. On simplification it becomes 25. Now 7 is multiplying, if I transpose that, it comes and divides 25. So x equals to 25 by 7 will be the solution of question number 9. Now coming to the question number 10, first I will transpose and subtrahend 8 that side, it becomes addend. Now it gives us 21, and this 12 which is multiplying, if it is transposed that side, it divides right hand side. So it gives me 21 divided by 14, which is 3 upon 2. Coming to the question number 11, here 6p, 6 times p plus 17 equals to 9, that way we can write. Addend 17 to be subtracted. If it is transposed, it becomes subtrahend. So 9 minus 17. So 6 times p equals to 9 minus 17 gives us minus 8. Therefore, here 6, which is multiplicand, if it is transposed that side, it divides minus 8. So p equals to minus 4 by 3 is the solution. Now coming to the question number 12. First, this addend to be removed. So by transposing, it becomes subtrahend from left hand side to right hand. Now 7 by 15 minus 1 by 15 is minus 8 by 15. So x by 3 equals to minus 8 by 15. Now this 3 is divisor. If it is to be removed, so I had to multiply both sides by 3. So here this 3 it cancels with this multiplicand. So x equals to minus 8 upon 3 ones are 3 5s are. So x equals to minus 8 by 5 will act as the solution. Now students, in class 8th, in this chapter we solved equations which have linear expression to one of the side and the other side number. So this is the exercise 2.1. Now next topic in this chapter is some applications. So this is the thing which we are going to now learn. Solving equations having the variable on both sides we'll see in later stages, and applications on them for the reduction of equations to simpler form later, equations reducible to the linear equations form, all this we need to do. Now coming to the some applications. What is the meaning of application? Let us consider a situation. You are given a puzzle that sum of two numbers is 74 and one of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the others? See children, while solving such questions, what are the numbers? That means both the numbers you need to find. And you know relation between one number to the other number. So one of the numbers is 10 more than the other. So what we do? Let us assume the numbers as x. If I assume one as x and the other is automatically 10 more than that, so x plus 10. Therefore, sum of the two numbers which is equals to 74 given can be used now. So one number is x and the other number is x plus 10, which is added gives you 74. X plus 10 is 2x plus 10 equals to 74, and this is the linear equation formed. If I solve this, now I will find the numbers. So this is how we apply our knowledge of linear equations while solving such puzzles. Here you know how to solve this. 2x equals to 74 minus 10. Here addend 10 is transpose, becomes subtrahend. So 2x equals to 64 and 2 is multiplicand. If it is transposed, it does division. 64 divided by 2 gives you 32. So, 1 number is 32 and the other number is 42. So this is how we find the application of equations. So students, we will solve the questions based on this topic in detail in our next session. So till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy. Jai Hind. Thank you.